Hey guys, this is Daniel with Dican Electric. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to wire a dishwasher that maybe you're gonna get in the future. It's not a really complicated process, but I want to show you what to do. First of all, usually the dishwashers the box is located right in here in the front. So what I did is I flipped the dishwasher on its back, and then I'm gonna take this plate off, and then I'll show you from there. So first of all, there's a few screws here in the front. You take this screw off, set it down, and take the other screw off, set it down. I'm going to take this plate off from the front, and then in here we have the electrical, and then there's the water. But the electrical, it's in this kind of box, so we're going to take this cover off right here. You don't want to lose the screw. Take this off. Okay, so we have the wires in here. We have three wires: ground, neutral, and hot. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this cable. We're going to have a connector that we're going to use. So we're going to take this. If you want, you can strip the cord a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to strip this guy a little more because I need more cable inside the box. And I'm going to put the connector on the cable. Tighten the screw down. We're gonna put this cable in, put the connector inside there. We're gonna take this nut, and we're gonna tie it down just like that. Alright. Okay, so now we're going to connect the cables. One thing that I want to do, I want to strip down the ground, the hot, and the neutral. I want to expose a little bit more cable so I have a better connection. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the ground, and then we're going to twist them together just like that. Use the wire nut. Take the neutral, tie it down, wire nut, and the hot, push them together. Now we're just going to make a nice loop in here. We're going to take the cover, we'll put the cover and put the screw back on. Okay, that's secure, and there you have it. This is your cord right here that you're going to plug in through that hole, and your dishwasher is wired. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully it was useful for you. Please leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and if you like the video, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.